Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Wednesday, February 17th, 2016. We have a relatively mild morning out there with temperatures slightly above normal for this time of year in the morning, with temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 30s throughout the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area. We have a weak cold front that is going to be moving through today. It's going to keep clouds in the area, but for the most part, we'll experience dry weather conditions with highs in the lower to mid 40s. When we take a look at the latest surface map, here's our cold front that will be moving through the region today. We also have a weak disturbance that's also moving through currently. Again, for the most part, we're looking at dry conditions, but variable cloud cover, followed by this high pressure system that's going to be taking control for the rest of the week with clear skies and chilly weather conditions with temperatures averaging below normal. On the radar, you can see that really not much going on out here. We do have one line of very weak showers. Most of this is not even reaching the ground. And by the time it reaches the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area, only an isolated shower would be possible, if that, for most of the region. On the latest infrared satellite picture, this used to be a rather vigorous disturbance, but it got sheared apart, and so the only thing that's really left is just some cloud cover. This low pressure system will exit out into the Atlantic, and this cold front will move through today. Then we have our high pressure system that follows with tranquil weather conditions the rest of the week. So let's dive into our forecast. For this afternoon, look for scattered to overcast cloud cover with highs in the lower to mid 40s. An isolated shower is possible but not likely. For this evening, scattered cloud cover could be expected on through the overnight hours into tomorrow morning, with low temperatures in the mid to upper 20s throughout the region. For tomorrow afternoon, look for clear skies with highs in the mid to upper 30s throughout the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area, which will be below normal for this time of year. We should be in the lower to mid 40s for highs. And for Friday, high pressure will be in complete control with lows in the mid to upper 20s and highs in the lower to mid 40s. For this weekend, we'll have an area of low pressure that will move through the region. Most of the showers will be focused over northern New York and northern New England. Now, with that being the case, we will still be at a threat for an isolated shower in the morning on Saturday, but scattered cloud cover by the afternoon. Look for lows in the mid to upper 30s and highs in the lower to mid 50s. On Sunday, high pressure will be in place with clear skies, lows in the lower 40s, highs in the lower 50s. And on Monday, an area of low pressure will approach the region on Monday evening. Otherwise, look for a scattered cloud cover with an isolated shower possible late in the evening hours. Look for lows in the upper 30s to lower 40s, highs in the lower 50s. And on Tuesday, we'll have high pressure build into the region as a cold front moves through in the morning hours. Look for a threat for an isolated shower or two, with lows in the lower to mid 30s and highs in the lower 40s. Now on Wednesday, we have an interesting area of low pressure we're going to have to keep an eye on. We have the cold front that will move through, high pressure to the north, cold areas funneling in. So this low pressure system has the potential of producing some wintry weather for Wednesday into Thursday throughout the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area. How much and who gets what? Well, that's still unknown. But clearly there is a threat for a winter storm for the region by the middle to end of next week. That is your forecast discussion for today. Thank you for following NY and JPA weather, and as always, stay safe out there.